In both Word and PowerPoint, you have a lot of options when it comes to how you want your paragraphs to look. For instance, you can change how your paragraphs are aligned, how far they're indented, and how much space there is between them. To begin, select the paragraphs you want to change, and on the Home tab, select the option you want in the paragraph group. By default, most text is aligned along the left margin, but you can center it, align it along the right margin, or justify it so it's aligned along both margins. Select the Line and Paragraph Spacing button to change how much space there is between lines, or how much space there is before or after paragraphs. You can also add bullets or numbering. To indent your paragraphs, select the Increase Indent button, or select the Decrease Indent button to move it back. No matter how you want your paragraphs to look, everything you need is right here in the Paragraph group.